Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable paperless statements in the Barclays app. First, open the Barclays app and log into your account. Tap on More in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings. Tap on Statement and Letter Preferences. Scroll all the way down, then switch your preference from post to online only. Tap Save Preferences. Once saved, go back to More, then tap Statements and Documents. Here you'll find all your future statements available by month, ready to view or download anytime. And that's it. That's how to enable paperless statements in the Barclays app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.